KK, open.
Open it, Caitlin. Pull it off.
There you go. Can you believe it though?
Were they different sizes?
I don't think, I think they're the same because I think it's 2 to 4, right?
After I wrapped it, I wondered.
Oh, yeah.
I already had a name on one.
Oh, yeah.
Can you
What's
pull
that?
it off? Pull all
What'd
this
you say?
off. You're pulling it.
Chloe had hers open.
Yeah. Take it off.
Are they the same
Yeah.
dolls?
Mhm.
The same
Well,
dolls?
it's just for the 2 because Zoe and Chloe have the
I
combo.
have this
so.
doll.
Didn't want the
I
girls
have
to
that
fight
doll.
over
I know.
Oh, yeah. They got the same. I know. That's what I do that a lot.
it?
I buy them the same thing so they don't fight.
Kaylin. What is it, Kaylin?
Cocoa bean.
KK.
What did you get? Coco, what is it?
Can you answer Papa?
Show them the free.
She's going to show me.
I haven't.
Can we open?
Chloe, what do you
can
say?
we open Lori's?
Hold it up. Let me see.
Well, Red wants to do it later.
Show Daddy
You
like
could.
that.
Let me see, Chloe.
It doesn't matter.
Can we do it right now?
What do you guys want?
It doesn't matter. Chippy, what do you think?
What's that?
Open now? We may as well. It's okay.
Okay.
Wow. Now you have 2 dolls.
Should we take the doll out, Zoe? Should we take them out or wait?
I
Wait.
think so.
Take it out.
See, now you have a Rapunzel and a Belle.
That's so cool. These are
Do they both
beautiful.
have Rapunzel?
Yeah.
She's got the baby Rapunzel.
And I have.
Want me to help you? Would you like me to help you? Well, that was all bent like that, Sarah.
I know.
Let's see it, Coco. Can you show me?
Snowball.
Look!
Let me see.
Oh,
Chloe, look.
It's like the paparazzi here.
Chloe, look. Or Zoe, look.
It's so cute.
Here, baby, Chloe. That one's yours too.
What happened to my... Oh.
Nobody's got some scissors.
KK, do you need some help?
She's trying to open that.
Do you have any more presents?
Well, it's just taking me just to see all these strings
look at
everywhere.
mine.
It's like really just
Look at me, Caitlin. Can you say cheese?
see.
I'll go get
No,
some.
can you look at me and say cheese? Hey,
It's a little outfit for
Caitlin,
it.
sweetie, look
You can
up.
put the clothes on it. I'm gonna go play
Caitlin.
sports.
Caitlin, look up, please.
See, it's still in there. Hang on just a second.
Caitlin. Hey,
We have our best one.
Hey, Zoe.
Your shoe.
yes. It's that one, and it's for both of you.
Let's see. Hit the nose.
That's for both of you.
And we couldn't open it.
What the heck?
Open it.
Look at it.
Whoa.
Open it, Daddy.
What? Wow. Let's look.
That's so cool.
My
Oh, look at
gosh.
this beautiful doll. She's kind of, I need to cut her hair still, but.
Grandma, look.
Zoe, look. Zoe, show Papa.
Show Papa your doll.
Oh,
grandma's chair.
she's beautiful.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, and it got a battery in it?
Cocoa bean. Cocoa bean, who is that? Is that Grandma
Might be
Molly?
a little short on Zoe.
We should get all the 3 girls with
But that's
Yeah.
But it's just wear your leggings with her.
Yep, there you go.
But it says, yeah, right?
Perfect. So cute.
Here's scissors. You want scissors?
You want us to get you one of those, Grandma?
Why first they all fit on?
Should we get you one for Christmas?
Yeah. You want to change and put it on?
Open it.
I'll open it here.
Excuse me,
You go
Cocoa
say
bean.
thank you to Lori. Give her a big
Can I say
kiss.
thank you?
Hey, Chloe.
Lori.
Aunt
Go
Lori.
give Nene and Lori and Papa big kisses too.
That's yours.
Here's another one for you, Coco.
Oh, I wanna open it?
To my grandma too. And that's
Here, do you
fun.
want this?
Yeah.
Mom, we need yellow shoes. Like
Kaylin, what is that?
I
Might be
agree.
better off getting
I
from
don't-
behind Lori.
no straps, nothing. I want these kind of ones. I want these kind of ones, Mom.
I know, I'm getting it.
You make noises.
Dress. I mean, that's a beautiful doll.
If you don't get them,
Very pretty.
Kaylin. Kaylin, what is it?
See, look. You put them in here, don't you? Is that what the picture showed?
Jeannie, we can't figure out how to make the feet go. You push the nose in and it talks to you.
Son?
Okay, hold on.
Oh. Kaylin, what is that?
she said,
Here's your little bag.
boy.
Baby's got a lump.
I think that was the best.
Uh-huh.
Kaylin, what is that, honey?
Go show Grandma that. Grandma's gonna, well, let Grandma see the
You know the
glasses
story of
first and then
Rapunzel
take it
with the long
out. Go show
hair?
Grandma. Look, Grandma.
Okay, is it?
I know, it's just in there.
Here, Lori, scissors. Right here.
Well, it's like in that hair. I don't wanna cut it.
Oh,
Oh.
There.
thank you. Look at, she got it.
Chris, you're doing really good there, son.
How do you take this apart?
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing real good putting that together.
Hi, Kaylin, look. Oh, boy, do you love her?
Kaylin, let me see.
Look.
Kaylin, let me see.
Let me run my dress.
We're gonna get you all so you can hold your princess doll, so we'll take another picture.
Hold your doll for a minute, okay?
Yep, Nene's working on it, okay?
Put this on. Do you want help? Is this hers?
Yes.
Here, Kaylin, let's open it. Come here, sweetie. Here, let's open this one first, and then
All the adults are working pretty hard here. Oh, Chippy, let's see. Does it have a moat?
here, open.
I have no idea what I'm doing next.
Kaylin, open.
This is yours.
Are there scissors still?
Oh, yeah. Yep. Sorry. What is it?
People are going to think this is Christmas.
Kind of is for the little ones, since we're not gonna see Kaylin, and
Does she already have that phone?
No, she doesn't.
Honey, how you doing?
Do you have a phone now, Kaylin?
You know how?
Can you say thank
Will
you?
Grandma help you?
Can you say thank you?
Yeah, let me get all the little tags off.
How do you get a phone?
Coco? Coco.
You don't see.
Coco Bean.
Aw.
Is Grandma helping you?
It won't open. It won't open. It won't open. Why won't it?
it's hard because there's some little things. you gotta
Belong to
Yeah, we'll figure it out, so.
Oh, Grandma, look at how pretty that doll is.
Yeah. Look at the dress she's got on. You want to put your dress on?
Hey, baby K, look at me. Right here. Say cheese.
Kind of zone in this and shit.
She is beautiful.
Tubby. Been fun. Oh,
Jeannie's got
how beautiful.
Kaylin's on there.
Yes.
Let's see,
Yeah,
Nene.
I bet Coco wants to wear it.
Here, look. Let's show Papa. Come here. Hold it up. Show Papa.
Look.
Oh,
Cute.
wow.
Isn't it
That's
pretty?
beautiful.
Ready? Should we just slip it over? It even matches your hair bow.